Have you ever felt like you're just not making progress, no matter how hard you try? That's a common struggle, and it's where the idiom fall off the wagon comes in. Let me tell you a funny story about a friend of mine who misunderstood this idiom. He thought it meant literally falling off a wagon, and he spent the whole day looking for a wagon to avoid that fate. So, what does fall off the wagon actually mean? It's a figurative expression that refers to resuming a bad habit or behavior, like relapsing into unhealthy habits after a period of progress. Imagine a person who's been trying to quit smoking. They've been doing great for weeks, but then they have a moment of weakness and light up a cigarette. That would be a classic case of falling off the wagon. Here are some examples of how you might use fall off the wagon in different contexts. In a casual conversation, I was doing so well with my diet, but then I fell off the wagon and had a huge slice of cake. In a formal setting, the company had been making great strides in reducing its carbon footprint. But unfortunately, it seems they've fallen off the wagon in recent months. In a negative context, after years of sobriety, she fell off the wagon and started drinking heavily again. To help you remember the meaning of fall off the wagon, think of a person literally falling off the back of a wagon. This visual image can serve as a mnemonic device to connect the figurative meaning to the actual action. The origins of fall off the wagon can be traced back to the temperance movement in the 19th century, where people who abstained from alcohol were said to be on the water wagon, choosing water over alcohol. Some similar idioms to fall off the wagon include backslide, to revert to a former, usually worse, condition or behavior. Relapse, to fall back into a former state or habit, especially of illness or addiction. Slip up, to make a mistake or error, especially one that is uncharacteristic or unexpected. On the other hand, some opposite expressions would be get back on the wagon, to resume a good habit or behavior after a setback. Stay the course, to persist in a plan or course of action despite difficulties. Keep the faith, to maintain one's belief or commitment despite challenges. Let's say you wanted to use fall off the wagon in a sentence, but you didn't want to use the idiom directly. You could rephrase it as, after months of healthy eating, she reverted to her old unhealthy habits. In this case, the meaning is similar, but the idiom is replaced with a more literal expression. I remember a time when a colleague of mine used the idiom fall off the wagon perfectly in a conversation. We were discussing her efforts to quit smoking, and she said, "I was doing so well. But then I had a moment of weakness and fell off the wagon. Now I'm determined to get back on track." The use of the idiom really captured the sense of her struggle and relapse, and it resonated with everyone in the room. One common mistake people make when using fall off the wagon is to say fell off of the wagon. The correct usage is simply fell off the wagon. Another frequent misunderstanding is thinking the idiom refers to literally falling off a physical wagon, when it's actually a metaphorical wagon representing a person's good habits or behaviors. Let's test your understanding of fall off the wagon with a few multiple choice questions. 1. What is the meaning of the idiom fall off the wagon? A. Literally falling off a wagon. B. Resuming a bad habit or behavior. C. Losing one's balance. D. Quitting a job. 2. Which of these expressions is synonymous with fall off the wagon? A. Stay the course. B. Keep the faith. C. Relapse. D. Get back on the wagon. 3. Which of these expressions is antonymous to fall off the wagon? A. Backslide. B. Slip up. C. Get back on the wagon. D. Reverted to old habits. In summary, fall off the wagon is a common idiom. That refers to the resumption of a bad habit or behavior after a period of progress or abstinence. Understanding the meaning and usage of this idiom can greatly improve your communication skills and help you express yourself more effectively in a variety of contexts. Now it's your turn. Try using the idiom fall off the wagon in a sentence of your own. Share your example in the comments. And let's see how creatively you can incorporate this idiom into your everyday speech.